Okay, in our class, we're going to do everything, or a lot of the things, with a web service or web resource. And let's just go over a very basic overview of what a web service is. A web service is a software service used to communicate to devices on a network. And you've seen this every single day. And we'll go over examples that you've seen already. The web service that we're going to do in our examples will provide interoperability between disparate applications. Now, what does that mean for us? Think of client server. You have your cell phone, which communicates via the network to communicate with another device. So remember, in your cell phone, all the power is not really there. It's the ability to display information that's probably coming from somewhere else, which is actually coming from somewhere else. By using a web service, your application can publish its functionality to the rest of the world. Now, a lot of times when we do stuff in Java, we might just be doing it literally on our machine, and it runs on that machine. What I want to do is I want to make this public to the world, or public at least via HTTP in this class. This is a data structure class we were talking about, but I want to create real things that can be reusable. Okay, so we will be talking about things in data structures like arrays, array list, vectors, hash maps, dictionaries. We will be talking about things like that. But the first thing is I want to actually get something running, something that we can use, and or imagine us using it. Okay, so our goal is first to do a web service. Now, the required links I think that you need for this class is you're going to have to understand what JSON is, which we'll be using. Eclipse is the IDE, which is the integrated development environment that we'll be using. It's one of the most popular. There are other tools out there like JetBrains and I can't think of the other names, but there's a bunch of them out there. We're going to be using Spring Boot, which is probably the most popular framework in the Java environment. We're not going to go into details what it is. If you want to do more research, you're free to do it. But I'll give you the basic overview just to get a web resource or a web service up and running in a product called Spring Boot. This does require that you do understand Java. So please, if there's certain things that you're confused about from your previous Java classes, ask as many questions as you can. I will try to help as much as I can. And with that, we will begin coding in the next video.